Could Samsung finally be giving its flip phone the kind of power users have been waiting for? The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be one of the most talked about foldable phones of the year, and a big part of that has to do with its processor. While there's been plenty of back and forth in the rumor mill, recent leaks suggest something exciting. Samsung might use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, also known as the Snapdragon 8 Elite in the Z Flip 7. For those who care about speed, smooth gaming, and better battery life, this would be a big deal. Earlier, there were reports that Samsung could use its own Exynos 2500 chip in the Z Flip 7. That chip is expected to be an upgrade compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 used in the previous Flip model, but many users are still cautious. In real-world use, Qualcomm's chips have often outperformed Exynos ones, especially when it comes to handling games and multitasking. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is expected to be faster, more efficient, and better at managing heat. All things that matter a lot in a foldable phone where space is tight and performance matters more. That said, Samsung hasn't confirmed anything yet. Some sources claim the company is testing both chips in different versions of the phone, which could mean they're either undecided or planning to release region-specific models. If you followed Samsung's history, you'll know they've done this before, offering Snapdragon-powered phones in some countries and Exynos ones in others. So even though the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is not guaranteed, the fact that it's even being tested gives hope to those who want the best performance. Performance aside, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could also bring some other meaningful upgrades. One of the most noticeable ones might be a bigger battery. The current Z Flip 6 has a 4000 mAh battery, but rumors suggest the Flip 7 might bump that up to 4300 mAh. It's not a huge leap, but every bit counts, especially in a foldable phone where power drains faster due to the dual screens and compact size. Combine that with a more efficient chip, and users could see a real improvement in daily battery life. Another change could be outer screen size. Right now, the Z Flip has a 3.4-inch cover display. The Flip 7 might increase this to 4.0 inches. It might not sound like a big jump, but for a foldable phone, even half an inch more can offer a better experience. It means more room for checking notifications, using widgets, or even replying to messages, all without needing to open the phone. As for the camera setup, don't expect major upgrades. The Flip 7 is rumored to keep the same 50-megapixel main sensor and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. While that might disappoint some users who hope for better photography, it looks like Samsung is focusing more on improving the phone's performance and battery rather than changing the camera hardware this time around. With other companies like Motorola pushing ahead in the foldable space, especially with their Razr series, Samsung needs to stay competitive. The Flip series is all about being small, stylish, and easy to carry, so a better processor and battery could make a real difference for people who want a fast and reliable foldable. Overall, if the leak about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 turns out to be true, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 could finally deliver the kind of power many users have been asking for. A faster phone, better battery life, and a bigger outer screen could make this one of Samsung's most polished foldables yet. If you found this update helpful and want more news like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications